The history of Islam concerns the political, social, economic, military, and cultural developments of the Islamic civilization. Most historians believe that Islam originated with Muhammad's mission in Mecca and Medina at the start of the 7th century CE. Although Muslims regard this time as a return to the original faith passed down by the Abrahamic prophets, such as Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, David, Solomon, and Jesus, with the submission Islam to the will of God. According to the traditional account, the Islamic prophet Muhammad began receiving what Muslims consider to be divine revelations in 610 CE, calling for submission to the one God, preparation for the imminent last judgment, and charity for the poor and needy. As Muhammad's message began to attract followers, the companions, he also met with increasing hostility and persecution from Meccan elites. In 622 CE, Muhammad migrated to the city of Yathrib, now known as Medina, where he began to unify the tribes of Arabia under Islam, returning to Mecca to take control in 630 CE and order the destruction of all pagan idols. By the time he passed away in about 11 AH, 632 CE, almost all the tribes of the Arabian Peninsula had converted to Islam. Say Alhamdulillah for being a Muslim, as you have been gifted Iman, and pray to die with Iman. Ameen!